False. False, guys. Just false. What's the craziest COVID-19 rumor you ever heard? The craziest rumor I've ever heard was that this was made in a lab for black people to die only. And they've been preparing for it to give to black people and not give the vaccine to black people. True or false? If you've already had COVID-19, you don't need to get the vaccine. False. The vaccine prepares your body for the virus and helps you to prevent getting seriously ill or dying as a result. But because there are various variants out in the world, getting the vaccine doesn't prevent you from having another viral attack. True or false? COVID-19 is an invented pandemic to cover up the effects of 5G radiation. False. False, guys. Just false, man. Just false. Just false. What practices are you currently using to help stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community? I am currently wearing a mask anytime I leave my home. Every time we do a production, everybody is masked. Everybody is tested for coronavirus before the production, and they're tested 3 days prior as well. When we are not shooting, we all wear masks. We eat our lunch outside in socially distanced tables to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Why are you going to get the vaccine? I'm going to get the vaccine because I don't want to get seriously ill and or die. I want to be safe. I want to be healthy. I want to be able to travel eventually. I want to do my part to help stop the spread of COVID-19, and I don't want to be sick. Did you have any initial hesitation around getting the vaccine? If so, what changed your mind? Well, a lot of my questions were answered by Dr. Reed Tuckson in our conversation about the vaccine. He tempered a lot of my fears. He explained the process. And all in all, I probably was going to get it hesitantly when my number was up, but now I can get it confidently, knowing a lot of my fears have been put aside. The black community has great reason to be fearful of the medical community by and large, but I don't want that fear to be a reason that we put ourselves at risk unnecessarily. What do you think is the coolest or most interesting thing about the vaccine? Something that I think is cool is that a black woman was at the forefront of working on this vaccine. I didn't know that at all. I'm super happy about that. I'm super proud about that. And I'm also proud that there's been black people on the review boards and that black doctors have taken the vaccine and are advocating for it. Honestly, if it weren't for the black people who are involved in advocating, I probably wouldn't have much trust for it.